Okay, now this session has been recorded now, and we'll proceed from here. तपाईहरुलाई गाह्रो भयो होला भनेर मैले यहाँबाट सुरु गर्दैछु. Let me animate this slide first. म यसलाई पहिला एनिमेट गर्दिन्छु तपाईहरुलाई अहिले बुझ्नलाई सजिलो हुन्छ. This is the question number 3O. 3O को question number सबैजनाले लेख्नुस् त. 3 को O number question लेख्नुस्. And after that we'll go to the other questions as well. We'll do the question number 5 also. These questions are very important for the examination as well. Okay, so I am recording this session here. Okay, question number 3O. The question is x4 minus 6x square plus 1. This is the question. Okay, our friends are entering. This is the question. मैले तपाईहरुलाई भनेको थिए जसको पावर 4 हुन्छ, सरी जसलाई तपाईले स्क्वायर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यसलाई एकै ठाउँमा ल्याउनुस् भनेको थिए है. अनि तपाईहरुको यहाँ बीचमा नमिलेको होला भनेर मैले यो क्वेशन सुरु गर्दैछु. Now this x4 can be written as x square whole square and plus 1 can be written as 1 square and minus 6x square is taken at last. And now it is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square को फर्ममा छ. अनि त्यसपछि मैले कुन फर्मुला अप्लाई गरे तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. हिजो मैले चाहिँ के गरे थिए अगाडि प्लस भएर पछाडी माइनस भएको फर्मुला अप्लाई गरे थिए. But now I am using a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? Why I did not apply another formula that a plus b whole square minus 2ab? Instead of that, why I am using this formula? Can anyone tell me? Anyone? Could you tell me the reason? You cannot tell. Look here. The major reason is when we apply this a minus b whole square here, and here becomes the plus 2x square, 1 means plus 2x square. And when you subtract this minus 6x square from the 2x square, then it ultimately gives the 4x square. Okay, this 2 into x square into 1 becomes 2x square minus 6x square. So it is now 4x square. Now you can make the square of this 4. You can make this 4x square as 2x whole square. But if you apply here plus and here minus, at that time, this minus 2x square and minus 6x square becomes minus 8x square. And this 8 is not the square number. You can make the square, you cannot make the square of that 8. So we are using this formula in this way. It is a square minus b square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay. Now you can check the formula here. A square minus b square means now it is a plus b. A means x square minus 1 plus b is 2x, and a is x square minus 1 and minus b is 2x. Now you can arrange this. When you arrange this, this will be the x square plus 2x minus 1 and x square minus 2x minus 1. Now I'll let you 1 minute to write this. Do write at first, and after that you can have the question if you do have confusion. Aaron?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do write at first, and after that if you do have confusion, then you can ask me. Right?
I've already written, sir.
You have already completed?
Yes, sir.
If so, then let us wait for our friends. Okay. Some of our friends have already done it. Sirjana has completed this. Okay. Just one thing new here. While applying the formula of that a square plus b square, we are using the another formula that a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Is I told you yesterday as well. If you apply one formula and if that could not be the square, then you can reverse the formula. You can change the formula. Okay. I think all of you have completed this. Now let's move to the next one.
Sir.
Okay. Yes.
OMJ में ऐसे ही हो, सब में minus हो.
Yeah. You can check whether the minus is suitable or plus is suitable, or which one is better. You can check there. Okay. Then you can see another questions as well here. Now it is the turn of 4a. We are moving to the 4a. How many questions are there in number 4?
Six.
Check there. Six questions are there. A up to F. Okay. So this is the question which we need to do like is that question number 3. Okay. But here the questions are in the fraction form. Okay. This is the P4 upon Q is Q4 minus 7P square upon Q square plus 1. As same as earlier, you can take that 1 in the middle in this way. Okay. Let me do one step more here, so it helps you to understand you in this way. Okay, I think it is not necessary. Look here, what am I doing? You need to understand. Try to understand very clearly. This P4 upon Q4 can be written as P square upon Q square whole square. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, I have written here, I'm trying to convert it into the a plus b whole square. This is the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, it is the complicated question to you. So I'm recording this session, and as I'm telling you, you will get this recording in my YouTube channel later on. Okay. So if you do have the confusion, then you can consult or you can watch that recording session to make you clear. Now here I'm using this as the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means here a is b square upon q square and the b is this one is square. So this is the b. Okay. So this is the a square plus 2 from the formula. A is b square upon q square into b is 1 plus b square. So I am trying it to convert into the whole square of a plus b. Now you can check here. In the yes.
B make 7p square by q square ainara.
Yeah. So I'm telling it. Okay. You can ask question me later on. Okay, I am telling. Now it is here. This 2 into 1 is 2p square upon q square. Okay. Now this is the plus 2p square upon q square. But as per the question, we need to make it minus 7p square q square. So what we are doing here, to take or to make this minus 7p square upon q square, I have subtracted here minus 9p square q square. Now RN,
Sir.
Look here, this is 9p square q square, but in the middle part, what is here? 2p square q square. Okay, then when you subtract 2p square q square from 9p square q square, then this will be the 7p square upon q square. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the way. Now you can see this red part. I'll check the red part. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as a plus b whole square. A means p square upon q square plus b is 1. Now it is a plus b whole square minus 9p square upon q square can be written as 3p upon q square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. And when we apply the formula, this is a plus b and a minus b. A plus b is p square upon q square plus 1, and plus b is 3p upon q, and this a minus b, p square upon q square plus 1 minus 3p upon q. Now you can arrange this. P square upon q square plus 3p upon q plus 1, and this is p square upon q square minus 3p upon q plus 1. It is your answer. Now I request you all to write. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, go on.
Second step but a third step में आके बुझिना.
You understand this second step clearly?
Second step but a third step में आके बुझिना के.
It means you understand second step, is it?
Yes.
Okay. If you understand the second step, then it is here in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is the a square plus 2ab plus b square, means that is the a plus b whole square. It is a is p square upon q square plus b is 1 whole square, and minus this 9p square q square can be written as 3p upon q whole square. Aaron, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you, you will get 1 minute to write this, and after that, if you do have confusion, then you can ask. Okay, I think you all have completed this. And if you do have confusion, then you can ask. You can do this question by another method, like is the solution of that 3 as well. But when you follow that method, that will be a little bit longer in the comparison of such way. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. So it makes you easier to understand such types of questions. This is the 4b. Okay. From 4a, here is the 4b directly. Let's see. The same is here. The similar process is followed here. This is the x4 upon y4. So we have written here x square upon y square whole square, and minus 2 from the formula. You need to search the reason why we are using here minus. Why we are not using here plus. You need to search the reason again. And minus, look here, this is the a square. X square upon y square is the a. 16 is the 4 square. So a is x square upon y square. B is 4. So this is a square minus 2. A means x square upon y square into b is 4 plus 4 square. Now, in the question, here is 44x square upon y square. But why I have written here 30x x square, 36x square upon y square? Can anyone tell?
I subtract.
Minus.
Okay.
I subtracting.
Some of you.
Go to the 8x square by 44x square, we get 36x square.
Good, good, very good. When you multiply this 2 and 4, then it will be the 8x square upon y square. And if you write here 36x square upon y square, then this 36 and 8 will be the 44x square y square. Okay, that is the reason. You got it? Let it make a square. Okay, I think it is not shown a square here. Okay. Okay, look here. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this a square, a minus b whole square, and minus this 36x square y square can be written as 6x upon y square. Is this? 6x upon y square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So this is the a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. A means x square upon y square, plus b is 6x upon y, and a again a x square upon y square minus 4, and minus b is 6x upon y. So when you arrange this, this will be the x square upon y square plus 6x upon y minus 4, and x square upon y square minus 6x upon y minus 4. This is the solution. If you have confusion, then you can ask, okay? Okay. These are the squares. Okay. Inform me when you complete. Pratik, do not write here. Okay. And inform me when you complete, okay? Mr. Samip? Samip Pantha?
Sir.
Why are you late in class?
Join in a minute.
Sorry?
Join in a minute.
Okay. You will get this recording of this session in my YouTube channel as well, okay? Do visit there. I will be uploading this session up to the evening today, and you can see there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think you all have completed this. Another important question is again here. Is I'm telling you these questions are a little bit difficult to you. Look here. This is the question for you. 4x square minus 27 plus 1 upon 4x square. Now what to do?
Oh, 2x square minus.
Aaron,
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us understand this step at first, okay? Then you will get the idea. Look here. Always, while solving such types of question, you need to check this. 4x square is the square of 2x. Is this? 4x square is the 2x whole square. And this 1 upon 4x square is the square of 1 upon 2x whole square. Understand? So, A is 2x square and the B is 1 upon 2x. Try to understand. A is 2x and the B is 1 upon 2x. Now, we are converting it into the A square minus 2AB plus B square. Is this? A square means 2x square minus 2 from the formula. A is 2x. B is 1 upon 2x as I told you earlier. And plus B square is 1 upon 2x square. And minus 25 is here. Can anyone tell how is there minus 25?
Because in first year is 2 and 25 plus 2 forms 27.
Good. र सबैजनाले हेर्नुस् तपाईहरु सबैले यो हिसाब बुझ्नुहुन्छ भन्ने मलाई लाग्यो कि छैन मैले तपाईलाई पहिलेदेखि भनिरहेको छु हामीले यो 6 क्लास 7 क्लास 8 क्लास देखि पढ्दै आइरहेका कुरा हो 8 क्लासमा पनि यस्तो क्वेशन्सहरु थियो अब तपाईले कति पढ्नु भयो कति पढ्नु भएन जुनियर क्लासेसमा हामीलाई अलिकति के रे कन्सेप्ट भएन भने अहिले तपाईहरुलाई यहाँ समस्या पर्छ अहिले 9 क्लासमा बुझ्नु भएन भने 10 क्लासमा झन् समस्या पर्छ सो ट्राई टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इन्क्रिज योर लेभल है अलिकति प्र्याक्टिस गर्ने टाइम बढाउनुहोस् आफ्नो पढ्ने बानी बसाल्नुहोस् त्यो गर्न पर्यो तपाई हामी त्यहाँ घरमै बसेर अनलाइन क्लास पढ्ने बेलामा पनि राम्रोसँग क्लासमा एटेन्ड हुँदैनौ तपाईहरु यहाँ आएकोला भनेर त केही अर्थ भएन नआएको साथीहरुलाई पनि हामीले त्यो कुरा भन्नु पर्यो रेगुलर आउनुस् भनेर है अब यो के भइरहेछ यहाँ हेर्नुस् है I am trying to convert it into the a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square मैले कन्भर्ट गर्दैछु पहिला 25 कसरी आयो त्यो कुरा हेर्नु पर्यो के In the question there was 27 माथि 27 थियो तर तल 25 आयो It is किन आयो भने नि यो पार्टमा हेर्नुस् त -2a is 2x अगाडिबाट a भनेको 2x आउँछ इन्टु b भनेको 1/2x आउँछ माथिको 2x र तलको 2x तपाईले क्यान्सल गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ When you cancel this 2x and 2x अहिले यहाँ क्यान्सल गर्ने होइन नि फेरि क्यान्सल हुन्छ भन्न खोजेको मैले अनि 2 र 1 मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 2 हुन्छ हेरि दी -2 यहाँ -2 भयो अब तपाईले -2 भएपछि यहाँ -25 राखे पो बल्ल -27 हुन्छ हामीले त 27 बनाउनु पर्यो नि त जसरी पनि अब यो रेडमा भएको जति के को होल स्क्वायर हो मलाई भन्नुस् त रेडमा भएको के को होल स्क्वायर
2ab plus b square
मीन्स के को होल स्क्वायर हो यो a स्क्वायर - 2ab plus b स्क्वायर को फर्ममा छ भनेपछि के को होल स्क्वायर भयो यो a minus b
whole square
a minus b whole square means a भनेको 2x minus b भनेको 1/2x को होल स्क्वायर भयो कि भएन यो रेड लगाएको जति 2x minus 1/2x को होल स्क्वायर भयो -25 भनेको 5 को स्क्वायर भयो This is a square minus b square. Now it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Means we can convert it in a plus b, a minus b. A means 2x minus 1/2x plus b means 5. And a 2x minus 1/2x minus 5 means a plus b, a minus b. Now we can write this 2x plus 5 minus 1/2x and 2x minus 5 minus 1/2x. Arrange गरेको यसलाई 5 लाई बीचमा राखेको किनभने माथि क्वेशनमा हेर्नुस् त क्वेशनमा पनि नम्बरलाई बीचमा राखेको छ ल अब हामीसँग समय थोरै छ छिटो गर्नुस् त म तपाईलाई एउटा क्वेशन गर्दिन्छु सो दैट यु क्यान कम्प्लिट द अदर रिमेनिङ क्वेशन्स Now we will move to the question number 5. अब 5 मा फेरि क्वेशन कम्प्लिकेटेड छ 5 मार्क्स को क्वेशनमा आउने खालको क्वेशन हो So I am recording this session. तपाईहरुलाई पछि कुनै बेला कन्फ्युजन भएको बेलामा एक्जाम आउने बेलामा पनि तपाईहरुले यो रेकर्डिङ खोलेर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मेरो YouTube च्यानलमा भइराख्छ कहाँ कसरी छ भन्ने लोकेसन तपाईहरुले थाहा पाउनु पर्यो है यो भन्दा अगाडिको क्लासेसको रेकर्डिङ पनि छ 10 क्लासको रेकर्डिङहरु पनि तपाईले हेरेर तपाईले आफुलाई फाइदा हुने कुराहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यहाँ सबै तपाईहरुलाई काम लाग्ने कुरा सेटको छ त्यहाँ मोस्टली Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
टाइम अलिक कम भएको भएर हामी मैले तपाईहरुलाई 5 को ए गर्दै छैन 5 को बी ल्याएको छु एकैचोटी हेर्नुस् मैले 5 को बी गर्दिए भने you can solve the question 5a and other questions as well. As I am telling, the questions of number 5 are the long questions. In the examination, you can see such questions in the questions of 5 marks. 4 marks, 5 marks को question पनि आउँछ हामीलाई. त्यहाँ चाहिँ 5 marks मा आउने questions हरु यो. Though the answers are short, solutions are short. You need to apply your wider concept here. Look here. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 वटा terms छ. हामीले यसलाई 6 वटा टर्म बनाएर 2 टा होल स्क्वायर बनाउने हो. अब कसरी गर्ने हो भन्ने कुरा हेर्नु होला. तपाईले जब यो फर्स्ट स्टेप यो स्टेप बुझ्नुहुन्छ नि त्यसपछि तपाईले सबै हिसाब गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. अब तपाईले यो स्टेप बुझ्ने र नबुझ्ने यहाँ डिपेन्ड गर्छ. यसरी हेर्नुस्. यो रेड पार्टमा हेर्नुस् है. This is the a square minus 2ab plus b square हो. Okay? a4 can be written as a square whole square. A square whole square minus 2 A4 can be written as a square whole square. अब तपाईले यहाँ बुझ्नु होला a square whole square भनेपछि a4 भयो. यहाँ माइनस भएपछि माइनस 2 मैले फर्मुलाबाट ल्याएको. We are trying to make it either a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. As here is minus, then I am trying to convert it into a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this a is a square whole square minus 2 from the formula. A is a square here. A is a square into the b is 3. How is here 3? Can you tell me?
3 to the 6.
We need to make, good. We need to make 6a square. So when you keep here 3, then it becomes now 6a square. Is it 6a square now?
Yes, sir.
अब तपाईले यहाँ 3 राख्ने मात्र 6a square हुन्छ. तपाईले 3 बाहेक अर्को नम्बर राख्ने पाउनुहुन्न भनेपछि b को भ्यालु हाम्रो कति भयो? 3 भयो. b को भ्यालु 3 भएपछि b स्क्वायर को ठाउँमा तपाईले 3 स्क्वायर राख्नु पर्यो. 3 स्क्वायर भनेको कति हो मलाई भन्नुस् त?
9.
3 स्क्वायर भनेको 9 हो. प्लस 9 ल्यायौं हामीले, जबरजस्ती प्लस 9 ल्यायौं हामीले फर्मुला मिलाउनलाई. तर हामीले निकाल्नु पर्ने कति छ? -7 छ. अब तपाईले प्लस 9 मा कुन नम्बर राख्यो भने -7 आउँछ भनेर खोज्ने हो कि यसरी. -16 राख्यो भने -7 आउँदो रहेछ भनेपछि कति ठुलो आइडिया अप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ हेर्नुस् त. एक थरी साथीहरुले त केही बुझ्नु भएन. यो लेखेको त a b 2 के लेखेछ त्यो मात्रै बुझ्नु भयो, अरु केही बुझ्नु भएन. मलाई थाहा छ त्यो कुरा. फेरि हेर्नुस्. I am repeating it again. यो रेड पार्ट जतिमा हेर्नुस्. I am trying to convert it into the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? अब a भनेको a square को square भनेपछि a भनेको ठाउँमा a square रहेछ. -2 from the formula. a भनेको यहाँबाट a square. b कति आउँछ त अटोमेटिक थाहा हुने रहेछ किनभने माथि हामीलाई 6 चाहिएको थियो. 2 पछि हामीलाई यहाँ 3 भएपछि 6 हुन्छ. सरी. अनि b स्क्वायर भनेको 3 स्क्वायर एन्ड 9 भयो. प्लस 9 तपाईले ल्याउनु भयो. कति सजिलो छ हेर्नुस्. प्लस 9 तपाईले यहाँ एउटा नम्बर ल्याउनु भयो. तर हामीले निकाल्नु पर्ने -7 छ. प्लस 9 लाई -7 बनाउनलाई -16 ल्याउनु पर्यो किनभने अब तपाईले -16 बाट प्लस 9 सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुभयो भने -7 हुन्छ. यो स्टेप बुझ्नु भयो कि बुझ्नु भएन मलाई भन्नुस् त?
Yes, sir.
नबुझेको साथीहरुले पछि रेकर्डिङमा नि हेर्नु, साथीहरुसँग नि सोध्नु होला. अनि यो -16 आयो अनि -8x -x स्क्वायर यहाँ जस्ता तस्तै भयो. यो स्टेप बुझेपछि अब हिसाब गाह्रो छैन हेर्नुस्. अब के भयो हेर्नुस्. यो रेड लगाएको जति a स्क्वायर - 3 को होल स्क्वायर भयो. नो कन्फ्युजन बिकज इट इज a स्क्वायर - 2ab + b स्क्वायर. पछाडी वी हैव टेकन माइनस कमन. माइनस कमन लिएपछि ब्र्याकेटमा -16 भएको प्लस भयो -8x + 8x अनि -x स्क्वायर + x स्क्वायर. अब मलाई भन्नुस् त पछाडीको ब्र्याकेटको के को होल स्क्वायर हो? के को होल स्क्वायर हो यो? तपाईले के को होल स्क्वायर हो भनेर चेक गर्नलाई 16 भनेको 4 को हो. सरी. अनि बीचमा प्लस साइन छ, पछाडी x स्क्वायर छ भनेपछि 4 + x को होल स्क्वायर हो कि भनेर रफमा चेक गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. 4 + x को होल स्क्वायर हो यो 4 + x को होल स्क्वायर खोल्नु भयो नि a स्क्वायर भनेको 4 को स्क्वायर 16 2ab भनेको 2 4 र x मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 8x + b स्क्वायर x को स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर नै भयो। ल अब हेर्नुस् त कस्तो भयो हिसाब। तपाईको 5 को क्वेशनको सबै हिसाब तपाईले यो टर्ममा ल्याउनु पर्छ। यो ब्र्याकेटको जतिलाई a मान्नुस् नाउ इट इज a स्क्वायर माइनस यो ब्र्याकेटकोलाई b मान्नुस् नाउ इट इज b स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर को फर्मुला के अरे
a square plus minus 2ab plus b square.
ओहो नो 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 a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर को फर्मुला भन्नुस्।
a square minus b square a minus b a plus b a minus b.
Oh good. अब a plus b a minus b ल हेर्नुस् कसरी a plus b भयो a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a अनि प्लस 4 plus x b a plus b दिस इज a अनि माइनसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ यहाँ माइनस भएपछि माइनसले 4 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा -4 माइनसले प्लस x लाई -x। अब हामीले एरेन्ज गर्ने यसलाई एरेन्ज गर्दा के भयो हेर्नुस् त a स्क्वायर अनि +4 र -3 ले +1 अनि +x अनि a स्क्वायर -3 र -4 ले चाहिँ -7 अनि -x इट इज द आन्सर। ल कस्तो सजिलो छ कि गाह्रो छ ल भन्नुस् 5 मार्क्समा आउँछ यो 5 स्टेप छ गर्नुस् त 1 2 3 4 5 दिमाग ठुलो लगाउने हिसाब छोटो। Do right. We have now 1 minute left. Do fast. Okay. 1 minute time छ छिटो छिटो लेख्नु होला अनि तपाईहरुको होमवर्क अहिले बोल्दा बोल्दै काटियो भने पनि कम्प्लिटिङ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज योर होमवर्क है। यो एक्सरसाइज कम्प्लिट गर्नु होला ट्राई गर्नुस् तपाईले आफ्नो तरिकाले इफोर्ट नलाइ हुँदैन यो। ओके कम्प्लिट गरेकोले कम्प्लिटेड भनेर लेख्नुस् त चार्ट बक्समा कति बाँकी हुनुहुन्छ अनि भरेसम्ममा त्यहाँ युट्युबमा हेर्नुस् यो क्लास आउँछ है त्यहाँ मेरो युट्युबमा तपाईहरुले सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभयो भने मैले अपलोड गरेपछि तपाईहरुलाई मेसेज आइहाल्छ। विमल सिगदेल भनेर युट्युबमा खोज्नुस् है यु क्यान सी दियर। अरु सेटहरुको पनि तपाईहरुले त्यहाँबाट हेरेर बेनिफिट लिन सक्नुहुन्छ। ल साथीहरुले भ्याउनु भयो जस्तो छ मैले शेयरिङ स्टप गरे and I'll be stopping
सरहरुको YouTube च्यानलको नाम उति हाल्दिनु न ग्रुपमा
विमल सिगदेल भनेर हेर्नुस् आइहाल्छ अथवा पछि म ग्रुपमा मेरो लिंक नै पठाइदिउँला है।